Okay, good morning. This is Paul Eisenstein. It is 4:45 a.m. in Boston on Saturday. I just woke up and I looked outside and it is snowing as hard as it has thus far. We're getting about 3 inches per hour. That's the snowfall rate. And I look outside and this city is buried. It is absolutely buried. It's snowing so hard right now. Let me show you exactly how deep the snow is. I mean, it is just something else. Here's my ruler. Goes to about 17-18 inches. I mean, it goes at least 6 inches. The ruler pops down at least 5 inches beyond the scope of it. I mean, it is deep snow. See this? We're at 2 feet of snow right now. The cars are buried. These humps of white, these are cars. This is a freaking snowstorm.